Okay, we're making a rolling cart out of the base of a office chair. I already took the centerpiece out that was in here. I don't know if I'll keep it or not, maybe for a bearing or something. Okay, next step, measure, and I hope I can just use standard size lumber. Okay, looks perfect. We've got 24 inches approximately from here to here, and that means I can put a square on this base. I have this 2x4 on top of the centerpiece, and with these 2x4s, this is going to work out just perfect. Okay, next step, measure and cut 24-inch square. Okay, I got those two 24s. Now 24 minus 3, 21. So 2 at 21. Okay, I got a scrap piece of 3/4 plywood from an old project, and it was already 24 wide, so I just measured it 24. I'm going to cut that down. And you'll notice I'm using hand tools in this project mostly, except for the drill. I have power tools and all that, but hand tools are just easier sometimes. Okay, you can see I'm almost done with the cut there with the saw. Now a little trick I use, because you know how the wood tends to like to bend right here. When I'm closely in, just set my clamp right there, and that keeps it from just falling down right when I'm done with the cut. Now I'll finish the cut to demonstrate. There we go, that was stubborn. But you see how that clamp holds it up? Works. Now this center hole in the bottom of the chair is a little bit higher than the 3.5 inches of the height of the 2x4 in relation to the end of the legs out here. So I'm going to cut a hole in the wood so that it will go around this, and also in the future, in case I want to pass up power cords through the middle or whatever, I'll be able to do that too. So let's put a 17. There, about 17. That dead on. Okay, pretty good that way. Corner to corner here. Let's see. Yeah, pretty good that way. All right, the hole needs to be 2 3/8. So I got some marks here at 1 and 3/16, and I'll try to get this in there. So there's a compass to go around. Problem is I don't have a drill that big, and so I'm going to have to use probably the jigsaw, I'm guessing. let's see how this fits. Let's see. Ah, oh, perfect. The absolute perfect snug fit I wanted. Perfect. Alright, to put this together, I'm using some 3-inch gold screws. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start them for now. And then when I'm going to get them in there, and since this is really dry wood, I'm going to let the screws stick out a little bit, and I'm going to punch holes and pre-drill into the ends of these other 18-inchers. Okay, this is just the way that I'm setting the screws. So I'm setting in there so that they're to the bottom of this piece, and I just pound them a little. That marks them at the top of this piece here. Maybe you can see those 2 holes there. Not sure if that's in the camera there. I know this. Then I pre-drill those. Okay, then I pre-drill those, and you know, just like this. Try to get it lined up as I can. You get the general idea, and this process does take a lot longer when I pre-drill this way, but this is kiln dried wood, and it's gonna split if I don't. So this is really worthwhile to keep the wood strong. Okay, these are the last 2 screws on the base. Now I'm not going to tighten them yet completely because I want to put the piece of plywood on top, and that's going to keep this whole thing square. Okay, I need to remember to tighten up these corners. Okay, let's see how this base fits on there. Okay, pretty well centered. That is perfect. I just gotta work a way to secure it to the bottom. See, I just use screws to through the bottom of the chair here into the 2x4s, and on all of these, there you go. And on this side, I had to add a little 2x2 because it wasn't quite enough. So that's how I connected it. Here's the completed base. I've been using it just as is to store stuff on and move it around. You can build up the sides, make it into another chair or a storage unit, shelving unit, whatever you like. It's strong, holds at least a couple 100 pounds. Enjoy.